What's up, everybody? I'm Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, and I am the nomadic financial coach. So check it out, guys. Right now, I'm making my money by driving Uber, but what I'm trying to do is actually replace that income with YouTube and my financial coaching business. Now, the reason that I'm trying to do that is not that Uber is a bad thing. Uber is actually fantastic because it is really helpful for what I'm actually trying to do as far as my lifestyle. It, is very flexible. I can drive the days I want to. I can start and stop when I want to. So that part is absolutely fantastic. The part that is really why I'm trying to do this is because I really want more time to focus in on the YouTube and the financial coaching. And this nomadic financial coaching channel is all about my journey across the United States, helping people achieve personal financial success. So I really want to free up that time to be able to really focus in on doing that. See, guys, I'm building a channel where I am helping people achieve financial freedom. I'm helping people get out of the chaos of navigating their finances without any real plan. I want people to be absolutely certain about their personal roadmap to financial freedom. Now, guys, I'm going to actually document this entire journey from zero all the way to Uber being completely replaced with YouTube and financial coaching. So, I'll be doing a lot of different things here. I'll be doing reaction videos. I'll be doing money tips. I'll be, helping you guys actually plan your finances. And I'll actually show you this in real time as I'm documenting my own personal journey. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of living in financial chaos, hey guys, go ahead and like this channel and subscribe and follow me along on this journey. It's going to be a wild one. I don't know where this is going to take me, but I definitely plan on enjoying the ride, and I hope you guys are there with me to enjoy it with me. But anyway, guys, that is my time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to like. Also, comment below where you're tuning in from, and maybe even drop a financial question if you want to. By all means, you're more than welcome to do so. I also do a financial audit where I will actually help you to go through your finances, figure out where the leaks are, and help you actually map out a plan. I'll go ahead and put the link to set up that appointment in the description, and you can go ahead and book that, and let's get you on the right side of the money. But until the next time, guys, you stay safe out there, and remember, waking up is fantastic, but waking up free, that's game changing. I'll see you on the next one. God bless you all. Gone.